Hello again. I'm here again to share with you my learning on this DJI action camera. I've been dreaming of taking a slow motion video for a long time. Here are some of my better shots. It's not that easy to get good video footage. You need a lot of study and a lot of patience. Great videos are fun to watch, but behind it is a difficult process. It's like food. It's good to eat, but difficult to cook. So shout out to all the cooking video channels out there. Hope you like it. If you have a comment or suggestion, please write below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.